So this is the before of the dress. And now that I've refreshed it, adding on a tier and more length to the bottom of the dress, I wanted to show how I did that. So as you can see here, I just kind of went underneath this round of work and I just kind of worked in between the stitches. So what I did is I turned the dress inside out and I took my yarn on my hook and I rejoined right at the beginning of that round, but underneath. And it's going to be the second round from the very end to create the tier. So I rejoined my hook and I did my chains to start. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work right underneath that last row. I'm going to work in between those clusters. And I can start any method of stitches that I want, but I'm going to emulate the preceding ones. For this pattern, I did 3 double crochet clusters and then I did 3 chains in between. And then I'm going to work 3 more double crochet clusters right in between that stitch. Then I'm going to chain 3 and then I'm going to move on to the very next middle cluster stitch to create even more work for the entire round. And I'm just going to continue on creating more work all around as if I'm continuing the project. And what this is going to do, it's going to create more length for the dress and it's going to create the tier, because when you flip it around like this, you're going to start to see the length of the dress start to grow out. And as you can see here, this is me continuing on right underneath that round, which ends up creating your tiered look. And you can also add on more tiers if you like, but this is the final result.